Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I will show you how to remove balance credit from Apple ID. Let's get right into the tutorial in order to remove balance credit from Apple ID. Open App Store. Firstly, and tap on your profile icon here. You will be able to see your Apple ID balance. Check your balance, and now go ahead and open the support application here. Scroll down and you will see the option for App Store. Tap on that, and then tap on Subscription and Purchases. You can tap on either Request a Refund, or tap on Unable to Pre-Choose option. Scroll down, and you will see the option for Chat under Contact. Tap on that. And now go ahead and type in your issue that is removed. Balance credit from Apple ID. Wait for Apple to reply to you. And this way, your issue will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel.